Hi, my name is Baylee and I am a VA1 here in the neurology department at Dove Lewis. Today I'm going to be showing you how to process and wrap a Henry Stein pouch. So with these, we have these osteotomes that we are needing to put in here. With these, we need to double wrap them, but with some instruments, you don't have to. Just depends on what the instrument is. Also, it depends on how it's getting sterilized. So with gas sterilization, you only need 2 single wrap instruments. With these ones, we are going to double wrap them. It also helps if we drop the instrument when we're opening it on the table, we at least have an extra protection to open them fully onto that table. What I'm going to be doing is I'm going to make sure that I have all of the osteotomes or all of the instruments that I need in the pouch. I'm going to go ahead and place these in here, like so. I'm going to look for these perforated edges right here. I'm going to pre-bend these over, make sure that it's nice and ready to, nicely folded. Once that's done, I'm going to pull off this little plastic piece there, make sure that the adhesive is ready to go. I want to make sure that this is clean from any debris, anything to interfere with the adherence to the plastic. This can compromise the sterilization as well. We're going to make sure that we pull this part over and adhere it like so. Now that I have to double wrap it, I want to make sure that I keep this part viewable to the outside of this other package, just because this is what is showing me that this package has been steam sterilized. This will turn a dark color like black. If we were doing a gas sterilization, this color would change color. So when I'm folding this, I want to make sure that I fold from the adhesive side first, just because I can see both of these once I put them in here. If you're not able to fold from the adhesive side, you're still getting an indicator right here for the steam. And same thing with the gas as well too. But here I'm just gonna fold it like so, making sure that it's nice and clean with the fold. I'm gonna make sure that I put this in the second pouch upside on, or steam side up, just so I can still see. Making sure that I pre-fold this down, pull that little adhesive cover off, making sure that there's no debris there or on the plastic, and folding that over. I'm going to go ahead and grab some heat indicator tape and put that on there as well too. Then I'm going to be labeling this, writing what it is, my initials, and also the sterilization date and the expiration date. Again, I'm not going to write the dates down, just in case I don't run the load tonight. I don't want to have a false number on here. Now that these osteotomes are wrapped, I'm going to go place these into our need to be sterilized basket, just to make sure that they get into the next load. But yes, this is how you wrap one of the Henry Stein pouches.